Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain React Native in VS Code. Let's dive into why Visual Studio Code is an outstanding choice for building your React Native applications. Its robust features and user-friendly interface make development efficient and enjoyable. You'll discover how its powerful tools and extensive customization options can significantly boost your productivity, helping you create amazing mobile experiences with ease. Visual Studio Code truly shines with its essential features and a vast array of extensions. IntelliSense offers intelligent code completion, saving you precious time. The React Native Tools extension provides dedicated commands for debugging and running your application seamlessly. Furthermore, tools like ESLint and Prettier help maintain consistent code quality across your entire project, making collaboration much smoother. Debugging your React Native applications is incredibly efficient within VS Code. The built-in debugger allows you to set breakpoints, inspect variables, and step through your code with precision. Additionally, features like Fast Refresh instantly update your user interface as you make changes, significantly accelerating your development cycle. This combination ensures a smooth workflow and helps you build high-performing applications. One of the greatest strengths of using VS Code for React Native is its vibrant community and extensive ecosystem. You'll find hundreds of extensions and countless online resources, including documentation and tutorials, to support your journey. Its cross-platform compatibility means you can develop on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Plus, frequent updates ensure you always have the latest tools and performance enhancements at your fingertips.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.